Jinnah Hospital is a 200-bed hospital in Kabul, Afghanistan. It is currently the second largest hospital in Afghanistan and was built by the Pakistani government. Jinnah Hospital was opened for the public on the 20th of April 2019 during an inauguration ceremony. The construction of Jinnah Hospital is funded by Pakistan and is named after the founder and first Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It is part of a series of Pakistani aid and development projects in Afghanistan valued up to $1 billion. Under the Pakistan Technical Assistance Program, the flagship project was approved by the Planning Commission initially at a cost of $18 million, and the contract was signed in March 2007. The hospital's foundation stone was laid on the 10th of October 2007. Jinnah Hospital's design and construction services were undertaken by NESPAK and the National Logistics Cell. Around 25 acres of land for the medical complex were reserved by the Afghan government in District 13 of Kabul. Jinnah Hospital will facilitate the availability of healthcare services to the most vulnerable population of Afghanistan, mothers and children. It will also add to the general healthcare facilities available to the people of Afghanistan. On the 20th of April 2019, the hospital was inaugurated and opened for services during a ceremony presided over by Afghan Vice President Sawa Danish as chief guest, with Afghanistan's Health Minister Firozuddin Firoz and Pakistan's Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Ali Muhammad Khan, also present. Firoz appreciated the generous gift and thanked Pakistan's immense assistance in the health sector of Afghanistan, while Khan described the hospital as part of Imran Khan administration's vision of providing welfare for the Afghan people. He expressed his hopes that the project would make a substantial contribution to the country's health services. Pakistan officially handed over the facility to the Afghan government on this occasion. The total cost of the project at completion was $24 million, and construction was undertaken over 12 years since the date of inception. The deteriorating security situation in Afghanistan, as well as institutional and bureaucratic inefficiencies, were cited as reasons for the delay in completion. At the time of inauguration, Pakistan was also building the Nishta Kidney Center in Jalalabad and the 100-bed Nab Aminullah Khan Hospital in Logar at a cost of $19 million, both of which were nearing completion. The hospital comprises a two-story structure spread out over an area of 16,700 square meters. The building has 10 towers. It includes a casualty block, blood bank, outpatient department, dialysis center, administration block, intensive care unit, constant care center, thalassemia center, wards for gynecology, medicine and surgeries, as well as pediatrics. Emergency and food services also included are a pharmacy, laundry and sterilizing department. The blocks are accessible and connected to each other via covered corridors, stairs and lifts. The hospital's infrastructure includes overhead water tanks, 2 tube wells, 5 1000 kVA diesel-powered generators, a pump house and septic tanks, an electrical transformer, and fire alarm and nurse calling systems according to the Pakistani Embassy in Kabul. Jinnah Hospital's furnishing and equipment costs, in addition to training of doctors, paramedics and other hospital staff, shall be covered under a grant provided by Pakistan.